हेलो माय डियर किड्स, मैं आज आप लोगों को इस वीडियो में स्मॉल लेटर्स लर्न कराऊंगी और साथ ही राइटिंग भी सिखाऊंगी। ठीक है बच्चों? सो ग्रीन कलर, ब्लू कलर, येलो कलर, red color, brown color, green color, small letters, small s m a l l, small. Blue color, letters L E T T E R S, small letters. Green color, A for ant, A for ant. Blue color, B for bear, B for bear. Yellow color, C for cat. Red color, D for deer, D for deer. Brown color, E for ear, E for ear. Green color, F for frog. Blue color, G for goat, G for goat. Yellow color, H for horse, H for horse. Red color, I for ice cream. Brown color, J for juice, J for juice. Green color, K for king, K for king. Blue color, L for lion. Yellow color, M for monkey, M for monkey. Red color, N for nest, N for nest. Brown color, O. O for orange. Green color. P. P for parrot. Blue color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Yellow color. R. R for rabbit. Red color. S. S. S for sunflower. Brown color. T. T for truck. Green color. U. U for umbrella. Blue color. V. V for vase. Yellow color. W. W for watch. Red color. X. X for Xmas tree. Brown color. Y. Y for yolk. Blue color. Green color. Z. Z for zebra.